Okay, let's dive right into the lightning-fast, high-stakes world of factory communication. Today, we're uncovering the hidden technology that quite literally manufactures our modern world. So, it all really comes down to one core question. How exactly do programmable logic controllers, or PLCs, instantly send commands to robot arms and machines without missing a single beat? I mean, when you see a massive robotic arm assembling a car with pinpoint accuracy, how does it know exactly what to do and exactly when to do it? Well, the answer is industrial Ethernet. Think of this as the central nervous system of the factory floor. It links your main PLC out to human-machine interfaces, or HMIs, supervisory systems known as SCADA, variable frequency drives, and remote I/O. It basically ensures all these separate, complex components work together in absolute perfect harmony.
Now, you might be thinking, isn't that just the internet I have at home? Actually, there is a massive difference. At home, a buffering delay on your Wi-Fi is just mildly annoying. But industrial Ethernet connects heavy robots, sensors, and massive machines. It absolutely must be fast, reliable, and real-time to operate safely. Because on a chaotic factory floor, even tiny delays can stop production completely. A communication delay of just a few milliseconds acts like a blaring red alarm, instantly freezing conveyors and causing catastrophic production downtime. We literally cannot afford buffering when a robotic arm is swinging heavy steel or when a safety sensor needs to trigger an immediate stop.
To prevent those crashes, factories use highly specialized protocols. Let's start with Profinet. This is a high-speed, real-time communication powerhouse, and the go-to specialist mostly used with Siemens PLCs. It rapidly moves data packets back and forth to keep everything perfectly synchronized. Then there's Ethernet/IP. This widely used industrial networking protocol is the dominant standard over in America, and it's extremely popular for use with Allen Bradley PLCs to send these rapid communication pulses straight through factory machines. Next up is Modbus TCP. Think of this as the simple, reliable veteran of the group. It uses straightforward communication lines to run essential third-party devices, like VFDs and energy meters, that just need rock-solid reliability.
And finally, we have the ultra-fast ninja of the group, EtherCAT. This one uses streaks of literally light-speed data for ultra-fast motion control. It's absolutely perfect for complex servo systems, robotics, and really exact motion applications.
So here's how it all comes together in the real world. One central PLC manages the entire floor in mere milliseconds. It fires off a command to the motor, reads the sensor, pushes an update to the operator's HMI screen, and logs the data into the SCADA system all at once. It's just a perfectly choreographed, lightning-fast dance of data.
Ultimately, industrial Ethernet truly is the vital backbone of modern automation. It's the invisible force keeping the assembly lines moving and our modern economy functioning. If you're curious about how these incredible machines keep our world running, be sure to follow for more PLC and automation explainers. Because it really makes you wonder, what other invisible networks are quietly running the world around you right now?